Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, as part of which I've already covered over 100 videos related to various control areas across application, server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel. As I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web, so please try to understand these concepts thoroughly as they will help you in your career. As we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I got a few requests and questions related to an important concept which is linked to vulnerability management, and it is around what are the different types of vulnerabilities, and we can name it as the common vulnerability types we see. So I decided to cover it in this separate video today, as it is important to understand this concept for any risk, security, control, compliance or audit assessment. So friends, let's dive into it. You can see the topic here, vulnerability types or common vulnerabilities as we see in the environment. So first, before I talk about the different types, let's recap on what a vulnerability is. As I discussed in my earlier videos, vulnerability is a gap or weakness that can be exploited by bad actors. So we'll discuss the different types of vulnerabilities or common vulnerabilities along with their relevance, and I've listed them on the board here. First one is zero-day vulnerability. As the name suggests, it's a vulnerability which is unknown or was discovered by the bad actors before it can be patched or fixed. So that's how the name zero day is significant. Unknown vulnerability or discovered by the bad actors before it can be patched by the vendor. The second category or second type of vulnerability is unpatched software. Very common. It's around vulnerabilities which are open and not patched using the patch released by the vendor. So there is a patch that exists. However, if the patch was never applied, that will lead to this type of vulnerability, which is for unpatched software.